Hey guys, it's Sophia and welcome back to today's video. Today's video I'm showing y'all how to do a messy bun the way I do it. Everybody does it differently. So do not mind my crazy hair. It is brushed, I swear. I don't understand my hair itself, so don't forget to subscribe and the big red button down below. And don't forget to give this video a big old thumbs up because I have basketball tryouts tomorrow. It was supposed to be today, which is Tuesday. But I don't have school because it's snowing hard and the roads are horrible. So I don't have school today. It's only November 13th, I think? 12th? 13th? 12th. So let's just hop right into the hair tutorial and stop embarrassing myself. First things first, make sure your hair is brushed out. This hair tutorial doesn't need clips, but if you want to add clips, go for it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my head down and kind of put it into a ponytail, but just kind of like hold the hair like I was going to put my hair in a ponytail. So I'll show y'all. So I'm just going to tip my head back and collect all my hair. I know my hairbrush is disgusting. I have to take all my hair off of it. All that hair off of it. But I just kind of like use my brush to smooth out my hair. I know, it's crazy. You know? The light from the snow is like making me look really pale. So once you have it into this, you're gonna take the hair, this part right here, and you're going to twist it into a bun, like the bun shape, as so. I do it about 3 times with my rubber band. 3 times. You can use a scrunchie if you want to, but I use a rubber band because it's easier. And there you'll have it. There we go. Here's our messy bun, somewhat messy bun. And hopefully you guys find this helpful. And this is pretty easy, so thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you don't mind my baby face, but I'll see y'all next week and let you know if I made my school JV basketball team. Wish me luck. And I'll see you next week. Bye!